Hello friends, welcome to Ayurveda is the ancient system of medicine from India. The word Ayurveda literally means the science of life. Its aim is not only to cure diseases, but also to achieve a balanced development of body, mind, and spirit. This tradition has been flowing for thousands of years, and today its significance is being recognized worldwide. According to Ayurveda, the body functions through three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These doshas are types of energies that govern our body, nature, and health. Vata controls movement. Vata governs transformation and digestion. Kapha provides stability and structure. Balance among the three ensures health, while imbalance leads to disease. Ayurveda explains that every person has a unique constitution. Some are Vata dominant, while others may be Pitta or Kapha dominant. Because of this, people differ in body type, temperament, and disease tendencies. Thus, Ayurveda is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but a personalized path to life. In Ayurveda, diet holds the highest importance. We are what we eat is its fundamental principle. Eating at the right time, in the right quantity, and according to one's constitution, keeps the body healthy. Wrong diet is considered the root cause of most diseases. Along with medicines, Ayurveda emphasizes lifestyle, proper sleep, meditation, yoga, pranayama, and seasonal routines, Ritacharya, are considered essential for maintaining health. Because true health cannot be achieved by medicines alone, lifestyle improvement is the real change. Ayurveda gives special importance to Panchakarma, the process of body purification. It consists of 5 therapies: Bhamana, Virachana, Basti, Nasya, and Raktamokshana. These treatments eliminate toxins from the body and restore dosha balance. Ayurveda is not just about medicines, but a complete way of life. It recognizes the interconnection of body, mind, soul, and nature, and maintaining balance among them is its essence. That is why Ayurveda remains relevant, useful, and inspiring even today. That's all for today's journey. See you in the next episode. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.